follow your dips and doodles in the flooring or something, then they may suggest, they may try to talk you out of this. They may say, well, you've got a thin one like that. That's designed to be put directly over concrete subfloor maybe, as opposed to a wood subfloor. You see what I'm saying? And so make sure to check all those types of things out. And since we're talking about this I keep wanting to call it laminate flooring. I don't think that's the proper name with the vinyl. I think it's just vinyl planking. Laminate flooring is the fake wood laminate that looks like wood, okay? And it's a composite material, and that kind of stuff is different. So, but back to this. When you get ready to pick a color, make sure. Now see, it's getting kind of shady outside, okay? This would not be the right time to pick your color if you brought all your colors over to your house to make a decision. Oh, how about this area? Would this area be an okay place? Where you got existing lights coming down? These are warm white. Would that be a good area? What if those were cool white bulbs with the daylight brightness? Would that be okay? No, I would never pick flooring under light like that or in the dark like this. I would never do it. It's always best to try to get daylight. Even this afternoon light. I could probably pick colors if I brought everything over here, let's say. You know what I mean? Now, that's going to show up a way better light than in the shadows or under lights inside your house or something like that. Or if I had my construction light on because it was dark and hey, we got to pick something right now. Come on, let's go. You know, you may make a mistake. Okay, so that's the other thing I wanted to talk about concerning laminate. Here I go again. The vinyl planking. Okay, look. Of course, there's all kinds of different textures, of different styles. And see, speaking of textures, I wouldn't want something perfectly smooth in this floor, because if it's raining outside, like this stuff here, if you get a little bit of water on this, granted this is regular oak planking and it's got a varathane finish on it. This gets wet, it gets really slippery. So if you're gonna pick a vinyl, you want some sort of vinyl with a little bit of texture. And this one here that we picked, it's got some texture on it. I felt it before. It's got some ripples on it and stuff. Our second choice was this one here. It's got more of a raised area. This one looks like fake, well, it looks like real wood actually. And there was even some knots in it somewhere. See, this one was kind of nice too. See, here's a knot. And there's another one, but this is vinyl too. Isn't that nice? I didn't really like that one as much though, because it comes in the seams on an overall length of a piece. See where you got this color and these colors, and that doesn't line up as much as this. See this one here? Where's their seam? Here's a seam right there. Those two are pretty much the same coloring wise. So that's what I kind of liked on that. See this here? This, if you look at it, it almost looks like one piece. But see, the 16-inch went from here to there. And this is just a sample. You're not going to have a little 4-inch piece left. Okay, the next piece is going to be 16. But see, even if you have a joint right there, those two marry up kind of nice. And we sort of like that. It almost kind of looks like a modeled type of floor tile. And so that's what we're going to go with. And it brings up all kinds of different colors. See, when you pick something out, you can't just go to the store and look at one thing and decide, okay, yeah, that's what I want. Well, you've got to bring it out to your place and see how it goes overall with everything else. Is it going to go with the color of your appliances? Is it going to go with the color of your cabinets, with your countertop, with your paint, with your carpet color? It all kind of goes together. Here's the other thing too. We got these samples from the Home Depot, okay? And ultimately we decided against Home Depot. Home Depot still has all kinds of stuff. You could probably find whatever you're looking for. But here's a sample they let you take home. Okay, we went to this other place. I forget what it was called. Here's the sample they let us take. This one right here, as opposed to this little one. This gives you a lot more. You can set it down on the floor. You can stand back. You can stand back further. And you can stand back here and look at it. You can look at it at different angles as opposed to just looking at that. You see what I'm saying? So wherever you go, if you can get a sample this big, great. Get 3 or 4 of them. Your top 3 picks. If they have just samples like this, ask them. Ask them, hey, do you have bigger samples? Maybe they have some bigger samples. Or maybe they can say, well, narrow it down to your 3 that you like the best. Here's 5 sample boards. Pick your top 2. Come back. Maybe we can figure out something. Maybe they can give you an entire plank or something. And see, this isn't. I don't even think this is the entire width. Now see, plank size. See that? 7.5 inches by 48 inches long. So you can't even get the overall likeness, especially if you got some wood grains in it, if you got knots in it, if you got stops and goes, kind of like this. Are you going to, how much of that are you going to get in each plank? You know what I mean? As opposed to if you get a big piece like this, obviously this is 3 pieces, see? This is 7 inches by, I don't know if that's 48 or 46. But here's 3 pieces, but it's added all together so that at least you can stand there and look at that and think, oh, now you can kind of visualize a little bit better if that's going to go with all of your other coloring, okay, for the floor. All right, so hopefully that gives you a few thoughts and ideas when it comes to planking. And think about the vinyl. I'm gonna like the vinyl. This guy that we talked to, he likes working with it. It's a free floating floor, and anything can, water can be on it. You can mop it down, wipe it down with wood. So, to some extent, depending on what kind you get, you have to be kind of careful with it. You've got to use certain cleaners for it, and especially the laminate. If you're going to use laminate flooring, obviously laminate flooring, the fake wood flooring, there's lots of different styles, lots of different colors. That is not going to last as long either. After a while, the edges start lifting up on it. It starts dipping a little bit. I've seen it, and hey, if that's the only thing you got for your budget, fine. Just remember that it's not going to last as long, and remember that all of those types of laminate flooring usually needs to have a vapor barrier underneath. Talk to your local salesman that's showing you that, and get the right stuff for your project.